Hi everyone. There is a say, compute your hardest, dream your biggest, be your greatest. With this, I will solve one of the problem from stress analysis in DME. The problem statement goes like this. A pull of 80 kilonewton is transmitted from a bar X to the bar Y through a pin. If the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bars is 100 Newton per mm square and the permissible shear stress in the pin is 80 Newton per mm square, find the diameter of the bars and of the pin. So here one of the sketch he has given, and it indicates the sketch is of knuckle joint have eye end and rod end, which is connected with the help of a knuckle pin, and here he asked to find the diameter of the rod required to bear the load and diameter of the pin is required to bear the load. Now let us list the data. A pull of 80 kilonewton is transmitted from a bar X to the bar Y through a pin. So pulling force F is equal to 80 kilonewton. If the maximum permissible tensile stress in the bar is 100 Newton per mm square, tensile stress sigma suffix T, that is equal to 100 Newton per mm square, and the permissible shear stress in the pin is 80 Newton per mm square. Shear stress tau is equal to 80 Newton per mm square. Find the diameter of the bars and of the pin. So diameter of the bar, that is denoted by d suffix b, that is equal to question mark, and diameter of the pin d suffix p is equal to question mark. Next will be formula and solution. So look in detail. Diameter of the bars. So here we'll consider d suffix b is equal to diameter of the bars in terms of mm, and we know the relation to find the value of area. Area A is equal to pi d square by 4, where diameter d is nothing but diameter of the bar d suffix b. On simplification we are getting area of the bar will be 0.7854 times the dB square. But we know that the fundamental equation for stress, sigma is equal to force by area, or sigma is equal to P by A suffix B. Here sigma suffix T is on substitution, that is 100, that is equal to force P divided by area of the bar. On substitution we are getting the relation and the value d suffix b square, that is equal to 1018.46, and on simplification we are getting diameter of the bar, that is equal to 32 mm. So this is the required first unknown. To get the value of second unknown, diameter of the pin, here we are supposed to observe, that is here tensile load P tends to shear off the pin at two sections, that is at section AB and CD. It indicates pin is under double shear. So we are supposed to frame the equation. Diameter of the pin d suffix P is equal to diameter of the pin. So here resisting area A suffix P is 2 into, so double of the area is required because double shear is there. So therefore A suffix B is equal to 2 into pi by 4 dp square. On simplification we are getting 1.571 dp square. And further in the same fashion, shear stress tau is equal to force by area by substituting the values. Here area is a parallel area. So tau is equal to 80, P divided by A suffix P is nothing but 1.571 dp square, and on simplification we are getting the value dp square, that is equal to 636.5, or d suffix P is equal to 25.2 mm. This completes the solution of this particular problem. Thank you.